Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to use audio on any video on your accounts on Rednote. So the answer is easy. As you see, the first thing, click on the enter the application, and then here you will find the export page. Choose any video you want, for example this one, as you see, and here you will find this share icon. Click on it, and also you will find this use audio. Click on it, and here it will be important. So as you see, that's it. That's how to use any audio on any video you want. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.